This video will show you how to search for patients in the database and renew their memberships. Starting at ChiroHealthUSA.com, click on Provider Login at the top right. Enter your username and password, then click the Login button. From the navigation bar at the top, click on Patient Renew/Search. At the top, you will see the Find Member by Member Number search box. This will search all ChiroHealthUSA members nationwide. This is useful to verify the member status of a patient who joined ChiroHealthUSA at a different location. Simply enter their member number and click the search button at the bottom. Here you can see the status of the patient's membership and renew them if necessary. You will also see the option to print the patient's member packet. This is helpful for patients who did not receive their packets for some reason or would just like to have another one. You can return to the patient search by clicking New Search at the bottom. You can search for partial matches of only your clinic's patients using the search criteria at the bottom half of the page. You will notice that your clinic name has already been pre-selected. You can choose to search all patients, just your active patients, or just your expired patients using the radio buttons here. You can narrow your search even more by using the fields below to enter a first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, or state. I'm going to click the search button to get a list of all the patients in the database for our clinic. You'll notice that terminated patients are shaded in red. Active patients are shaded in green and expired patients are shaded in yellow. You can click on any column header to sort the list and help you find patients faster. Joe Smith is in the clinic today and wants to renew his ChiroHealthUSA membership. He will first need to complete and sign a new enrollment form to acknowledge the terms of his membership and sign the required ChiroHealthUSA HIPAA form. Be sure to do this with all the patients you renew and keep the signed forms in the patient's files. Let's click the Renew button next to Joe's name. Your clinic name and Joe's info are pre-filled in the form. Verify Joe's information and make any necessary adjustments. Joe wants to receive his membership packet in the mail, so I'll uncheck the Go Green checkbox. Next, click the checkbox to confirm that the member has signed the ChiroHealthUSA HIPAA form. A pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm that the HIPAA form has been signed and filed in the patient's medical records. The next step is to click Yes or No, indicating whether the patient has consented to receive email communications from ChiroHealthUSA. If yes, another pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm whether Joe has agreed to receive emails from ChiroHealthUSA about his membership. You cannot proceed with the renewal without confirming that the ChiroHealthUSA HIPAA form has been signed and the patient's choice for email communications. Select the membership type and the payment method, and fill in his payment information. Then click Renew, located at the bottom of the page. As with new memberships, a membership card is displayed that can be printed out for Joe and his file. Joe will receive his membership packet via email within 48 hours or by regular mail in approximately 2 weeks. If needed, you can also print out his membership packet once the enrollment is complete. The renewal process is the same for all patients, regardless of their status in the database. Now you know how to search for patients in the database and renew their membership.